Welcome to MacGyver's Workshop, where you never know what we're going to be working on next. If you're not too careful, you just might learn something. Hi there. Welcome back to another episode of MacGyver's Workshop, where you never know what we're going to be working on next, and if you're not too careful, you just might learn something. So today, what I'm playing with is a new mic rig that I've got, and it's the Fifine, and it's a kind of a dual lav wireless mic with also you can use either the lavalier mic or the headset mic. I'd heard a lot of good things about them, so I thought I'd give it a try. It was real reasonably priced, and I'm trying to get away from all the echoey sounding, you know, artifacts in my videos, like when we did our cooking video. And we also have the shotgun mic, which worked well, but it still picked up a lot of echo from the room. So this seems to work a lot better. It doesn't pick up all that echo in the big room, because we've got 10-foot ceilings in the house. So we were doing our cooking video, and a lot of comments from my friends at work that were telling me that, you know, it was the audio was a little off, and I agree, it was. It's better than it would have been with the built-in camera mic, but still wasn't there yet. So anyway, I think I've rambled on enough about that. Basically, to go along with it, I've got just this little 8-channel USB mixing console, and it gives me the opportunity to, you know, put some EQ and be able to adjust the gain so that the you know, I'm feeding a good strong signal into the camera, and you know, it's got effects built into it and a whole bunch of other gee whiz stuff that I'll probably never use, but it also will be a good interface to the computer as well if I ever wanted to, you know, bring in some audio or what have you. But for what I'm doing with my little YouTube videos, I think this is more than adequate. So let me get the camera and give you a little look-see at this mixer. So this is a Pyle Pro PMXU88BT, which stands for Bluetooth, because it'll either Bluetooth to the computer or connect via USB. But all that kind of features I don't really need, but the ability to have a decent quiet mixer with the ability to work with my levels and throw a little EQ in along with the standard 3-band strip EQ really works out great. And so far this thing, I did some preliminary testing, and it really sounds good. So wish I had this when I was doing my intro. I could have mixed the audio and video a whole lot better. But anyway, so that's that. Very simple, easy to use. Haven't even looked at the instructions yet. And this is the other half of the mic system. It uses, or it supports 2 microphones. So I have another fanny pack right here, and in here is also a headset thing if I want to start selling ShamWows on YouTube, you know. But wait, there's more. So anyway, just a little quick blurb. I was just playing around with this thing, and I'm gonna mix this down and post it up on YouTube and see what it sounds like when it's got the crap compressed out of it. So thanks for watching.